Hello, Experience community. Today, we're diving into the Research Hub, a knowledge management tool for all your research. By the end of this tip, you'll be able to transform your organization's knowledge into an answer engine. I'll show you how to set up the Research Hub, search through all of your organization's past findings, and share key insights with your team. To turn on Research Hub, you'll have to navigate to the admin tab. And once you're in the admin tab, you can go to your user profile, and then you can find the permissions for Research Hub. You can also visit our support page to understand what each of these permissions actually does. Once you've turned on these permissions, then you'll want to navigate to this waffle menu on the top right and select Research Hub. This will take you to the home page of Research Hub, where you can start searching through your organization's knowledge. You'll see in this search bar, I can simply ask a question and then do the search. Research Hub is using AI-powered semantic search to search through thousands of artifacts in your brand, including all of your surveys, dashboards, video projects, as well as uploaded files. Now, with each search, you will actually get an AI-generated answer summary that gives you quick insights on your particular question. You'll see that there are sources at the bottom of this question, and you can click through those sources to validate them. As I'm searching through all of the search results as well, I can actually start adding these to a collection. You can see there's an option to add to a collection right here. These will populate the collection tab. And within collections, you can see I have a collection right here. A collection is sort of like a bibliography where you can put in a number of different research artifacts that are related to your question or a topic. And then you can share these with other people in your organization. So you can share the insights that you found and help other people in your organization self-serve their own research. I will note that those AI summaries that I showed you are currently in early access. Right here, this AI summary. This will not be available to you when you turn on Research Hub right now, but it will be available soon. So if you have interest in getting access to this, please contact your account representative. So there you have it. By centralizing all of your research within the Research Hub, you'll be able to maximize the ROI of every study, speed up insight time, and turn your organization's knowledge into an answer engine. So drop your questions below, and we'll see you next time in the next 2-minute tip.